On today's menu, an easy tea recipe that's a real kicker. Ginger lemon tea.
Lei Hong Ma, I'm Wil Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. I hope you're keeping well during this stressful time. Always remember to wash your hands more and touch your face less. Now this recipe has absolutely no medical merit, but it's something that I personally make whenever I'm feeling under the weather.
Small piece ginger.
Now don't go too crazy, we're just bruising it so it's going to start releasing an amazing flavor.
1 cup water. Ginger. Cover and bring to a boil. 1 tablespoon maple syrup.
If you eat honey, you can also use that.
1 tablespoon lemon juice. Pour the hot water into the serving cup. Lemon wedge. You can now make this easy ginger lemon tea with absolute confidence.
This drink is just so comforting. It's warm, it's sweet, it's sour, and you get that spiciness from that incredible ginger. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.